Hey fella.
Smooth Gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature.
Yeah, I'm half tempted.
This is news. This is what do you say? Like a
Breaking news, ouwe, breaking news.
First time unboxing also.
Yeah, I'm so excited, man. Folks!
A retake! We had some audio problems. What I discovered, there was a hair stuck in the microphone. It created enormous noise over the whole weekend of filming the bow challenge. It'd be a lot of work.
Salvage it.
I think there's still hope. So
Yeah,
bow
nice
challenge coming up.
Nice one.
Oh.
Okay, and the start of that video, we did our first ever unboxing, and that straight up got denied because we couldn't use the thing. We got an awesome package from Luke from Burnt Oak Forge, and he sent us this little cooking tripod.
Ta-da!
Yeah, so we already got to use it the last video, so it's kind of nice that in a way that we can.
Well, that's this video actually.
Oh, that is this video. Yeah, okay, but it's kind of handy now because we know how to use it. And last time we were like, the dude literally says setting it up as a tripod can be tricky until you know how. Chains and a little poker. Yeah, super cool, super cool. Big thanks to Luke.
From Burnt Oak Forge.
You can check him out on Etsy, was it? Etsy or Instagram.
Are we going to spit mode as well? Oh.
Yeah, let's do that. But he said it sort of corresponds with the whole Celtic roundhouse age era time frame.
Yeah, it's classy, isn't it?
And it's super durable. Super durable. Like this would be one of those things that lasts forever, you know? Now for you. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, cook-off coming up. Hot lightning.
Oh god.
We made hot lightning later in the video. Yeah, enough rumble. Let's get to bow challenge.
Yeah, so...
And camping in the roundhouse.
Little pile of them. Huh? It is a bit muddy here, isn't it? Are we using this this paper? Not bad, eh?
Mate, this isn't good. No. It's not great now.
Right. Shitty wood, man. Pretty epic, man. Right? Pretty epic.
Wow, man.
You're being close to the fire now.
But since this year, I put my tarp over the ridge line.
Oh, that was 2019 anyway.
Oh.
Yeah, mate, that's me now. I have to tie this off first. Kom maar.
Moeten die nog nodig?
We go for the old Spitz setup. You can actually have 2 pots on it and a bit more adjustment.
Folks, time for some hot lightning.
Nice one, mate.
You know what hot lightning is?
The oven looks good, man, on the chain, doesn't it?
Oh, my hot lightning is not cool.
Oh, sorry. I want to see it first.
Oh.
Smooth. It's falling.
The Dutch oven isn't too stable, is it?
I think it's better if you put weight on the bottom. Is it empty or?
No, it's full.
Oh.
Oei, oei, oei.
Never mind then.
Maybe it's a little bent somewhere.
I think it is. Yeah, you can see it even. The little thingy here.
Yeah, in the quickness of battling today, the floor kind of has become the organic waste.
Yeah, that is unacceptable, man.
Yeah, but that's why we need a broom.
A broom!
You
We need a hard floor to broom. That's the problem. How about dishes? Or are we skipping dishes?
It depends how you feel about your bow being finished.
Okay, that says enough. This is drinkable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fresh from the phosphorus tree. I've seen a whole stack of fertilizer, man. We'll just make a Patreon bracket. Donate for a water...
for our health and safety concerns.
Safety, health and safety tier. Huh? No, but it would be nice to know, actually.
Yeah, so we want to do a water test of the river water.
Yeah, which is like €100 or something, I believe.
Because there is definitely some foam here and there. Visible. Could be a
But-
sign of...
Do you know, I was watching those Canadian dudes that won the Alone show.
Yeah.
Beer
guys.
Anyway, 2 Canadian dudes. They did a canoe trip somewhere super high north in Canada, middle of nowhere. And guess what? They had foam in their river too. And you cannot be telling me that's because of the agricultural chemicals.
No, Darren, no.
So
I don't know. I can't tell you.
it looked like the same, you know.
I mean, you have foam in the sea as well. You know?
So that also is a bad thing, right? Oh. You know those surfers that died in Holland? They got stuck in the foam. They couldn't see where they were going. They drowned.
We have a little thing for this, but I find it tricky because it's so slippery. Maybe it needs a bit more water.
Okay, I'm going to do a bit of carbon, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I need gloves, mate.
I know, I didn't bring any either. I don't have
All our gloves are still. We don't have gloves.
They'd still be worn out by all the stone.
All gone in the stonework, indeed. All from the garden. Onions, apples and potato. Little coconut fat. Pepper. It needs to be hot. And salt. More pepper. More cinnamon. Nutmeg. We hebben hier toch geen tijd voor?
Oh, ho, ho. No time, no time. Waste no time. Where do you want to eat out of? The lid? With some lovely breakfast and ashes?
Ja.
Yeah? That one,
Yeah, good for digestion.
What, ashes?
They even
And,
put it-
and breakfast remnants?
Yeah, that's called sustainable, but don't waste no food.
Is the potato already through this?
Yeah.
Mate, this looks like you buy in a tub for babies, man.
Typical Dylan
I'm sorry,
comment.
but I'm not like criticizing you, but That's just what I think of when I see this.
Now it is a different story.
That is much better. Hang on, wait till it's full.
How much time remaining to have the boat finished?
But the judge, the independent professional judge, will arrive in about an hour and a half.
Yeah, it's going to be a quick lunch.
A quick lunch and a
Lightning
lot
fast.
and exponential stress levels from here on out. Huh?
I even got you some precious juice, apple flavor.
And then Julius left my spoon in the fire.
There must be a hectic reason for it.
That doesn't justify shit, man. that just says that you don't have your shit under control.
Oh yeah.
That's bad. Like don't say that, you know.
Oh, covering on video is not good these days. Just your daily campfire smoke cough.
Yeah, exactly. For the guys at home, I mean, you call this hot lightning. Doesn't say much, does it? It is apple chutney with mashed potato and onions.
Apple
chutney.
mashed potato. And all the ingredients, except for the pumpkin seeds, are from the garden.
Nice. The spices also didn't come from the garden.
Maybe you need to turn yourself a little bit more in, for people to see your lovely chair.
Is that bushcraft worthy?
No.
Then it's fine. I'm testing out a chair. It's a test, okay?
Dylan is upgrading from bushcraft to glamping.
To glamping, yeah. I'm doing a glamping trip soon.
I call that downgrading. I have the feeling in general what happens if people get more stuff, they're less likely to not bring it on any kind of trip. Like over the years, you know, we get this one and we get a grill and we get this one. It leads in the end to always paying more on your bushcraft trip, more stuff.
Let's go back a step and say, if we didn't bring this Dutch oven, how would you be able to make this dish?
Well, it's only a 2-person dish now. It could have been made in this.
If we didn't bring the little kettle, how would we boil our water? In the same pot as that we cook in. Like, the less stuff you need to bring, the more you need to adapt and the more you need to sort of share and but it just means that you spend more time doing that rather than spending time on something you want to spend time. It depends on what you do, you know. Like this is sort of base camp now for us, so we can get away with bringing a few more things and focus on a specific thing that we want to focus on.
There's some truth in that. But all things aside, I start to feel at home in here, even without a roof.
That is because the sun is shining, mate.
But it was a nice 2-night overnighter.
Where do you want to go then?
The judge has arrived.
My name is Jack Pinson. I'm a master bowyer with the traditional craft guild of Bowyers and Fletchers, UK-based guild.
Coming up, the bow making battle 2.0. Dylan and me spent 2 days during this overnighter on carving bows. Who made the best bow? And also check out last year's survival bow making battle. Tune in on Smooth Gefixt Friday. Consider watching the Medieval Roundhouse series. Subscribe for future episodes. Turn on the notification bell.